How to add Gmail or Google to the lock screen shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the Edge. First, let's tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. Then in here, tap on the left-hand side panel. And from here, tap on the left or the right shortcut. Now scroll down to the Apps section. And in here, tap on Gmail or Google. And that's it. So if you want to select Google, you can choose Google. And then tap on Done. Now tap on the home button and press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And when you want to open up Google, just swipe on it and Google will open. Now alternatively, you can go to your lock screen, touch and hold, then tap on the left or the right shortcut. Now scroll down to the apps section and choose Gmail or Google, and then tap on Done. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos.